In mission-critical electronics, consistent performance and long-term reliability aren't optional, they're expected. And it all starts with the right tactile switch. But exposure to contaminants, temperature swings, and low-voltage signals can cause contact degradation and system failures, especially in sensitive or high-use environments. That's why gold-plated tactile switches are the trusted solution. Designed to resist corrosion, maintain electrical integrity, and perform over time, they're built for harsh and demanding conditions. Gold plating delivers stable electrical contact even in moisture-prone environments. It prevents oxidation and whisker growth, enhances solderability, and reduces contact bounce for cleaner signal transitions. It's especially effective in low current or low voltage applications, where any resistance can cause failure. And with no degradation over time, gold contacts help extend product life, minimize maintenance, and improve end-user experience. Gold plating is now available across Littelfuse tactile switches, including the compact KMR6, versatile KSC2, and high-durability KSR Series, giving engineers more flexibility to match reliability with design requirements. Ideal for medical, industrial, data center, and communication infrastructure designs, gold-plated switches help ensure every press delivers clean, reliable results. When failure isn't an option, choose gold. Discover the full portfolio of Littelfuse gold-plated tactile switches today. Visit ckswitches.com.